Okay, I come from the future, and the lecturer says that this equation is very important, so you should take note of that. Alright, and this is the parallel axis theorem. Alright, where you are shifting your this axis to this axis. Alright, this CC axis. This is why it's ICC. Okay, it's the central axis. I should say, because if you think about it, this is your face. Alright, in between this is the core, and in fact the picture over here, he actually crop it out. It should be like that. Alright, this is the face, and this should extend over here to here. Alright, so this D, alright, is all this thing. Okay, please take note of that. I would believe it's that. Okay, and it should be over here. Yeah, it should be over here. Then this D is over here. I think you get what I mean. If you were to show this picture, I think straightforward. Alright, so actually cut this so-called picture into half in order to illustrate, but the not very clear part is the D over 2 later on, and then I'll tell you, so be careful of this type of thing. Alright, but nonetheless, this equation tells you that this is the second moment of the area where you shift it to here, this axis. Alright, so this is the second moment of area for your particular face, only for the face. So for the face, if you remember, for a rectangle or this type of shape is BH cubed over 12. Alright, this is the second moment of area. Alright, and therefore the H is actually this thing. And in this our case, it's called the T, the thickness of the face. Alright, and therefore what? This is this lah. Okay, yeah. Okay, and therefore it's quite straightforward. This is this. And area is T times B. Alright, is area of the face, the thickness of this face. So it's T times the B, alright, this area. Hopefully this is pretty clear. And multiply by D over 2 square. D over 2, actually this D extends all over here. So you should know that D over 2 is actually this one. This is actually D over 2. Okay? So D over 2 square. And that's it. So take note of this final equation. In between it should be actually BTD square, because if you think about it, T times B times D square should be here. Okay, so therefore there is a careless mistake over here in the slide, so take note of that. And this is how you get your parallel axis theorem. I mean the shorter equation, straightforward equation for you to take note of that. Alright, so you just need to take note of this, and I think this is it. And if you want to know more about how this is being derived, I think you can search for the internet yourself if you in the future you need. And I think this is it. So yeah.